Welcome to 3544 Moonstone Drive in Navarre, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home built in 2018, and it's just under 2,500 square feet. As you can see, just to the left of this home, we have some protected land, so no neighbors can ever build on the left side of you. So you have a little bit of privacy in your backyard there. Wonderfully landscaped out front with a covered front porch here. This is a full brick exterior home with hurricane coverings and gutters as well. So coming into the main living area here, we have a nice convenient coat closet right here by the front door. Blinds throughout this home, as well as vinyl plank flooring here in the main living area for the flooring. Ceiling fan in the living room as well. Which flows nicely with this open floor plan here. We have the dining space just off the kitchen. Nice and spacious area over here, which flows nicely into the kitchen. We have granite countertops in this kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, a refrigerator with an ice and water dispenser, a pantry as well, built-in microwave and electric cooktop stove. Brand new subway tile backsplash was just installed. It looks absolutely gorgeous in here. And we also have, this is a 2-story home, as you've seen. So the master here is on the main floor, which is very convenient, just off the kitchen. And here we have our half bath here. Convenient for guests. Really nice size master here. We have a walk-in closet as well. Tons of natural light in here. As you can see, there are 4 windows here in this master bedroom. I just love that. Nice and light and bright in here. And into the master closet. Very spacious walk-in closet. And just over this way, we have the master bathroom here. In the master bathroom, we have a double granite vanity. We also have a linen closet in here, which is very convenient. A water closet for privacy, just over this way. And a beautiful tiled walk-in shower. With a nice little niche there for all your shower goods. So much natural light in this bedroom. All right, now I'm going to take you upstairs, and I just love the bonus feature of this D.R. Horton build that we have here. It is great if you have kids, if you have some in-laws that might be living with you, or you need an extra workspace. We have a very large second living room up here. Such an awesome bonus feature. We have carpet up here on the second floor in all the bedrooms in this second living area. Again, blinds throughout this home and hurricane coverings as well. Just off this living area, we have our first bedroom on the front side of the house here. And you can see that flows through over here to the Jack and Jill bathroom. So we have, again, another double granite vanity in this bath. Very nicely done. A linen closet as well. And a shower tub combo in this bathroom. Which leads us into our second bedroom upstairs here. Really nice sized bedrooms in here as well. Just out the doorway through this bedroom, we have the laundry room, which is located on the second floor, as well as an additional storage closet. Lots of storage space above the washer and dryer here as well. And into our third bedroom on this floor here. Just off this bedroom, this bedroom has its own full bath, so very nice for guests to be able to have their own bathroom. And here is our third full bath. Shower tub combo in this bathroom, as well as a granite vanity. All right, now I'm going to take you downstairs and give you a preview of the backyard. Again, with this home to the left of the home, it is protected land, so no one can ever build to the left of you right there. Give you a view of the kitchen from up here coming down the stairwell. And another view of the living space here. All right. We have a 17 by 9 covered patio out here. Again, all brick exterior. We have a fully fenced backyard with entries on both sides. It's a little shadowed over here, but just wonderful to have this green space next to you. Privacy fence on the neighbor's side, which is nice as well. So let us know if you have anyone who'd like to see this home, or you'd like to set up a private showing. Again, this is 3544 Moonstone Drive in Navarre, Florida.